Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace one of the upper intake manifold on vacuum tubes. So I'm taking off the beauty cover so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. You probably realized it from a previous video because I had stated I was going to be replacing it. So this is what we're going to be replacing, this whole section that you see. So this vacuum tubing will be getting replaced. I got a new one from Nissan. Alright, so part number 149121880A. So it comes with the hoses, so that's a bonus, and the clamps. So it's not bad. All you're gonna need is a 10 mil hose clamp pliers. What else? I think that's it for now. And I also got a wire wheel, that way I could, once I remove this, I could just clean off the surface area before placing a new vacuum tube on. So I'm gonna set you on the tripod. Alright, first things first, I'm gonna remove the hose clamp. So I'm just gonna remove these two. Like I said, you need a flathead or 8 mil. So I'm gonna pull this, separate these two. Just pull it back, and then we're gonna set that to the side. And then we're going to disconnect the mass airflow sensor. It's a clip at the top. Just push down and pull back. Put this out the way. Open the air intake box. Lift it up and then separate it from the throttle body. That's so. And it'll come with a little intake tube. I'm not sure exactly what this is for, like a silencer or something. Alright, now we're going to get our Allen or hex tool. I'm going to take out the bolt. Set this aside. So we're going to get the hose clamps. We're going to slide the clamp back, as so. And then just pop off the hose. Alright, let's see. So I'm going to show you a little trick. Just get the hose clamp pliers. Gently, just rock it back and forth. It should come out now, yeah. And then next thing you want to do is remove the 10 mil bolt that's right here. I also got that brand new too, so be replacing that as well. And now we're going to remove the other 10 mil. It's right underneath the intake manifold. That's also a 10 mil. Camera could focus. There you go. Okay, and then we're going to move the other hose clamp. That resides right here. Same thing. Just slide it down. There you go. Should come off now. Yep. So we're gonna move the throttle body a little bit. And the whole assembly should come out. As so. Alright, so for this part, we're just gonna push the bottom section out and then lift up. And I'll separate this hose from the vacuum tube. Now we can fully remove this 10 mil. And this is getting jumped. And before we put on a new one, we're going to clean this up with the water wheel. nice little clean. I'm gonna wipe the surface down. I'll be right back. I got no more shop towels, so I'm just gonna use an old rag and wipe it. Yep, roll. That's a whole lot better. As you can tell. So this metal grommet, I can't think of the exact name, but that's clean now. And around it, just got the brown. Well, the rust residue. So now we're gonna unwrap our new one. So I really like the fact that Nissan includes new hoses, new clamps, new clip, all that included with the vacuum tube. I thought you had to order this all separately. So what we're gonna do is work this back in the same way we took it out. And then we're gonna put our new bolt in. Like I said, I'm replacing the old crystal hardware with new ones. Alright, so I got that one lined up. Now I'm gonna do the one in the rear. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Alright, never mind. Alright, so new bolt here as well. Alright, that's finger tight. Now back to the one in the front. Go and tighten that. So that's fully tight now. Now the rear. I got the throttle body on the way. There you go. Alright, so both are tight. Now what we're gonna do is get the hose clamps, and we are going to rework the direction of the hoses. Alright, so I got that one turned. Let me slide this back. So. And then in another upcoming video, all these rubber hoses that you see running from the intake solenoids and all that, they'll be getting replaced too. I already ordered those from Nissan, so those should be here very soon. I gotta slide the clamp back some more. Alright. Alright, that's pushed in all the way. Yep. Alright, so we're gonna slide the hose clamp back. Alright. We're gonna put this one back too. Alright. I'm going to slide this back in. Just push it through. And then to lock it, just do that. So now back to the rear. That's the same procedure for the rear. You want to re-angle because they don't come in the right directions that it right directions that you need. So let's see how I'm gonna do this. Well, I'm gonna be in the camera's way for a second. the casing. Alright, so for the rear, we're gonna put the hose back. Oh, reconnect the hose. Trying not to get in the camera's way. But I'm gonna have to first to slide this back up. So you wanna bring the hose all the way up to the slip right here where my fingernails are. Alright, where my hose clamps at? This is really not a good angle to slide it back up. I'm trying to avoid hitting the camera. So now we're gonna bring the clamps back up. I said clamps, I mean one clamp. And voila, so now we're gonna put the throttle body back on. So now that we got the throttle body on, we're gonna slide this on the throttle body, all the hoses underneath, and then we're gonna reattach the runner for the intake manifold. Reconnect this. So, don't forget your mass airflow sensor connector. You wanna reconnect that. You hear it click in place. Put your airbox back in. Line everything up. Now we're gonna switch to our 8mm. Or if you use a flathead, use your flathead. Let's tighten the clamps back. And that's how you place that vacuum tube on the left side of the intake manifold. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.